Hi everyone, today we are looking at AI tools that are trending right now. And most importantly, how you can make the most of them before everyone else does. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, student, or just curious about the future, these tools are changing everything: how we create, work, or even communicate. AI is no longer the future, it's the present. People are building YouTube channels, businesses, music, videos, and their entire brand using AI, while others are still trying to catch up. In this video, I'll break down the most powerful content, the most powerful AI tools trending right now, and show you how to use them, not just hear about them. Let's look at AI tools for writing and ideas. So we're starting with AI tools for writing and thinking. Tools like ChatGPT and Claude are being used to write scripts, plan businesses, study complex topics, and even prepare sermons and teachings. These tools don't replace creativity, they multiply them. Scripts, ideas, planning, learning, these tools are the best. AI for image and visuals. So when you're looking at images and visuals, you look at tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, Leonardo AI. These tools are changing how thumbnails, artworks, and visual storytelling are done. With the right prompts, you can create cinematic visuals in seconds. No design skill needed. That means you don't have to be a designer. Thirdly, we look at AI for video creation. Remember, video is king. So let's see the tools needed for videos. Pictory, InVideo, and Runway ML allows you to turn text into full videos, create faceless content, and even cinematic scenes. This is how many creators are uploading consistently without burnout. You should do the same. Let's also take a look at AI voices and music. AI voice tools like 11 Labs can produce natural emotional narrations, perfect for documentaries and teachings and storytellings. And music tools like Suno AI are allowing people to create original gospel music, worship tracks, and background scores. AI tools are trending, real good, but the power comes from how to use them. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section which AI tool you want to learn next. Remember, we're just getting started.